In today's video I will review how much YouTube pays Wallace Farm and Sawmill on YouTube 2025. Now let's get started. They joined on YouTube since July 27, 2015. They have 61,000 subscribers. And they have uploaded 348 videos to their channel. And now let's go over Wallace Farm and Sawmill channel analytics. This is statistics views for Wallace Farm and Sawmill channel. Daily views, 23,167 views. Weekly views, 166,748 views. Monthly views, 695,006 views. Total views, 28,498,000 views. Next, video performance on Wallace Farm and Sawmill channel. This is the latest videos for Wallace Farm and Sawmill channel. This video has gotten 16,000 views and 22,000 views. The estimated earnings Wallace Farm and Sawmill with the latest videos, $64 and $88 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Wallace Farm and Sawmill channel. This video has gotten 3,500,000 views and 907,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated earnings Wallace Farm and Sawmill with the most popular video, $14,000 and $3,628 since published on YouTube. Now how much YouTube pays Wallace Farm and Sawmill on YouTube 2025. And this is the estimated earnings for Wallace Farm and Sawmill channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $2,800. Estimated yearly earnings, $33,000. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue Wallace Farm and Sawmill channel, $113,992.